ECGs to test every boy heart rate is one requirement that's there to play. So every student who's going to participate for St. John's College is medically inclined to play this year. Officially, this is our, I think our third or fourth week. But we're getting there. Hopefully, what we want to do to achieve, we can get it before the start of the competition. We're not where we're supposed to be or want to be at this time, but I think we have enough to go there and present and give a true reflection of ourselves. We're not really satisfied where we are based on the time and factoring all protocols and guidelines, and we couldn't get the train and the time and going to school online and coming into the training. It's very difficult for us. We are always competitive. We are always prepared to go there and fight for every single point. In a week we try to squeeze in as much game as possible, because then we get the go-ahead. So a week from now we get the go-ahead, so we play Portmore beat us 4 goals to 0. We get a chance to play Klein and College beat us. So we, as I said, we've been terribly affected. So hopefully, come in this weekend we can go there and put a good show.